Huge news from Brazil. Former President Jair Bolsonaro just got hit with a 27-year prison sentence. The Supreme Court found him guilty of plotting a military coup to overthrow the government after losing the 2022 election. Judges described his actions as an attempt to annihilate Brazilian democracy. While one judge voted for acquittal, the majority ruled against him, citing overwhelming evidence of a conspiracy to seize power. This has sparked massive celebrations amongst those who oppose Bolsonaro. But the fight might not be over, with legal challenges and political maneuvering expected to continue. What's your take on this historic verdict? Subscribe for more updates. Big news from the Netherlands. Gay conversion therapy is officially becoming a crime. The Dutch parliament just voted to outlaw these harmful practices aimed at changing someone's sexual orientation. This follows weeks of debate, with some concerns raised about the scope of the law. But ultimately, a majority agreed that attempts to cure homosexuality are unacceptable. Supporters say this protects vulnerable people from potentially damaging treatments, emphasizing that being LGBTQ is not something to be fixed. The bill now moves to the Senate, but this is a huge step towards equality and acceptance. What's your take? Subscribe for more updates. Big trouble brewing between South Korea and the US. A recent immigration raid targeting Korean workers at a Georgia battery plant has Seoul demanding action. The Korean government is furious, citing unfair treatment and demanding visa system improvements to prevent future incidents. They're pointing out that South Korea is the US's top investor, and this needs to be addressed. Officials are calling for an official apology and pushing for a dedicated visa quota for skilled Korean workers. It's not just about apologies. It's about securing the future of Korean investment in the US. This isn't just a diplomatic spat, it's about ensuring fair treatment for Korean workers and protecting billions of dollars in investment. What's your take on this escalating situation? Subscribe for more updates. Whoa! Major shakeup in UK politics. Britain's ambassador to the US, Peter Mandelson, has been fired. Why? Newly revealed emails show a much closer relationship with convicted sex offender Jeffrey Epstein than previously known. These emails revealed Mandelson offered Epstein advice and support, even after his conviction. This caused a huge political headache for Prime Minister Keir Starmer, who initially defended Mandelson, but the fallout was too much, leading to Mandelson's immediate removal. A new interim ambassador has been appointed. What's your take on this unfolding scandal? Subscribe for more updates.